Mae'n braf iawn ar brynhawn dydd Iau bod yng nghwmni cyfarwyddwr y sioe, Harry Featherstone Ho, a hefyd prif weithredwr y sioe, Steve Hewson, siwmai, pnawn dydd Iau. A mae'n bnawn digon rhyfedd i fod yma, achos mae cyfnod Harry fel cyfarwyddwr yn dod i ben.
Sioe diwetha Harry, it's Harry's last show. I've only been here 7 years as the chief exec, but I've known Harry for an awful long time in my involvement with the show over many years in my previous job, and Harry has always been a complete icon. He's been the face of the show to me, and he's helped me no end in my 7 years here, as he did David Walters before. And we're just so proud that Harry is not leaving us, but he's actually going on to be the president next year. So we look forward to being able to possibly slightly boss him around rather than him bossing us around.
Yes, how do you feel about that, Harry?
Well, it's a whole new ball game. I can't work out whether I'm poacher turned gamekeeper or the other way around, or gamekeeper turned poacher.
But how will you look back at, well, the last 25 years?
I've been incredibly lucky to be part of a fantastic team, both the permanent staff in and out, in the office and outside, and over 1,000 stewards, and I've made hundreds, literally hundreds of friends through the show. And it is Wales's biggest, largest single cultural event. To be part of that makes me feel very proud, to be honest.
Well, you stayed on till the 100th show, which is a very, very special one. You'll be back next year as president, as Steve was saying. So what have you got planned for us next year?
Well, it's sort of wait and see. We'll pull something out the hatch, you know. But for me, it's a family involvement too, and between my dad and I, we've done 46 years of the 100 as directing the show.
That's quite a contribution, isn't it?
And got two sons who've been stewarding since they were 12, and hopefully they'll carry on. So, and that's half the success of the show, is everyone's utter devotion to the cause, and we all love it and do anything to help to make it work, really.
Well, we wish you all the best, but it'll be good to see you back next year with a different title.
A bigger badge.
It'll be a bigger badge, yes. Felly wrth edrych ymlaen, Steve, at y flwyddyn nesaf, dwi'n gwybod bod o'n bwysig i chi, fel prif weithredwr, bod chi yn symud ymlaen ac yn newid ac yn datblygu'r maes yma. Beth yw'r cynlluniau?
Wel, mae'n bwysig i datblygu'r sioe ac yr holl gymdeithas. Dwi'n edrych ymlaen i gweithio mewn partneriaeth gyda'r Sir Nawdd Glwyd, a edrych ymlaen i'r hen prif weithredwr, so i'n gwybod beth maen nhw'n eisiau fi wneud. Ond i wneud yn siŵr mae'r gymdeithas yn gallu symud ymlaen am y dyfodol i, wneud yn siŵr dyn ni'n symud gyda'r technoleg a gyda'r amserau. Mae 5G ar y mas tu ôl ni nawr. Mae'r autonomous vehicle yn rhedeg ar y maes y sioe y bar yma. So mae'n bwysig i wneud yn siŵr dyn ni'n symud gyda'r amserau a wneud yn siŵr mae'r dyfodol yr gymdeithas a sioe yn sicrhau. Ond
mewn un frawddeg fach, sut ydych chi'n pwyso o mesur y sioe hon, y canfed sioe eleni? Sut mae pethau di mynd?
O sioe oedd yn llwyddiannus, mae'n teimlo yn... Chi'n gallu teimlo y bwrlwm ar y maes y sioe. Mae'r sioe yn dal yn llawn o bobl nawr, a mae nifer o bobl yn just waw, a mae'n dallu gyda tywysog Charles, y frenhyn y Zulus. So mae lot o stwff gwahanol yn digwydd dros y maes y sioe, ond beth sy'n bwysig, mae'r gryfder y gymdeithas, mae'r gryfder y sioe, a Cymru mewn un lle ar y maes y sioe yn Llanelwy, so dyn ni'n mynd i gryfder i gryfder.
Arferchog. Drychwn ni ymlaen nes o nesaf. Diolch Steve, a diolch Harry.
Diolch i